Introducing the WUBEN X2 Pro, a sleek, portable, and versatile EDC flashlight. Stand out with its dual-head configuration, each light boasting unique capabilities. The main light boasts 4 adjustable LEDs. Easily switch between floodlight and spotlight using the rotary control. Tilt the light up to 20 degrees with a simple motion for optimal illumination. It doubles as a signal light with red, blue, and green LEDs for quick identification. X2 Pro works with standard helmets, turning pro headlamps instantly. The strong magnetic tail allows for hands-free use on iron surfaces. With a clip for easy attachment, everything's within reach. No more battery worries. The X2 Pro uses replaceable AA batteries and operates with just one. Unleash up to 1600 lumens with its palm-sized, easy-to-grip design. Switch between modes effortlessly with the mechanical switch, including lock and light toggling. Back the WUBEN X2 Pro now and unlock the tactical tail button feature.